Hello, my name is Juan Montoya and I am recording this video for the Phonetics and Phonology class from UNAD. Task 7, recording 1. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with the adults around you by using language, but by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you have become a fluent native speaker. During those first few years of your life, accumulated a wide range of knowledge about at least one language, probably with very little conscious effort. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that you discover that it was not nearly as easy. 2. Minimal pairs. Sit, sit. Desk, disk. Wet, wait. But, bought. So, not, note. Bad, bed. Fast, first. Desk, disk. Very, very. Buy, pie. Thin, thing. Alive, arrive. Catch, cat. See, she. Fan, van. Fat, hat. Free, three. Sing, think. With, whiz. Page, pace. Bed, batch. Fast, past. Came, game. To, do. Back, back. An. Had, had. Intonation. Statements with one stress. I know. We laughed. It stopped. Statements with two stresses. Anna works. Time flies. Lena is my daughter. Statements with three stresses. Peter doesn't live here. Lena wasn't invited. Bats are not birds. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. Special questions fall in intonation. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. Where have you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? General questions, rising intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my keys? Are you ready to start? Requests, rising intonation. Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind helping me? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Talk questions, falling or rising intonation. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Nice weather, isn't it? Comments, falling intonation. Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Requests, rising intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That's a lie. Direct address, raising intonation. Peter, can you help me? Mrs. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me, please? Enumerating, rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, oranges, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Responses: certainly, of course. You're welcome. Thank you so much.